Hi, this place was on my wish list since more than a year. आणि म्हणूनच मी आज ठरवलं आहे आय एम गोइंग टू विजिट स्टेप्स कॅफे इन बँड्रा. आम्ही इकडे पोहोचलो आणि त्याच्यानंतर कॅफेचं फर्स्ट लुक घेऊन आय वॉज रिअली स्टन्ड. इट रिअली गिव्स दॅट रस्टिक ग्रीन फॉरेस्ट वाईब. But once you are in, it is really aesthetic. They have two sitting arrangements. एक आहे फर्स्ट फ्लोर वरती AC sitting and the second one is on the top, that is the open sitting. And do you know what? Coming in this cafe feels like you are in a book or a novel. The spiral stairs, the tree inside the cafe. Yes, this cafe has a tree inside the cafe and the cafe is built around the tree. We chose to sit in the AC part of the cafe and this is what we ordered. Sandwiches, wraps, pastas and garlic bread. And you know what? Everything tasted as beautiful and as tasty as it looked. सगळं चांगलं होतं but I personally loved the wrap and the sandwich. Yes, it was really yum. So if I am here again, I am going to definitely order the wrap and the sandwich. So if you have not visited here, this is your sign to visit now. This was today आणि आपण भेटूया पुढच्या व्लॉग मध्ये. ओके बाय.